Have you been searching for your dream home that's right next to MRT, bus interchange, shopping mall, 24-hour coffee shops, and all the conveniences within easy reach?
Well, your search ends here.
Hello everybody, I'm Derek,
I'm Michelle.
and we may just have the dream home that you have been looking for.
Okay, let's wait no more and head up to the unit. This 4-room premium apartment spans 93 square meters, boasting lots of space for family time and relaxation. It is kept in tip-top condition, and if you're looking for a new home, look no further.
Did we mention that this property is close to schools, recreational facilities such as Safra, Punggol Waterway, and Sengkang General Hospitals too? Driving? The Tampines Expressway is just 2 minutes drive away.
This particular property not only thrives within the proximity of multiple amenities, but is also very future-proof as well. Punggol Town Square, opening in 2021, will feature hawker center and libraries, among other facilities.
Worry about jobs and education for your children? The future Punggol Digital District and SIT Punggol campus is just 2 LRT stations away. Do not miss out this opportunity.
Contact us today.